In this video, we're going to go over how to add zone linking to your zones on the AleoBlue website. Zone linking is used to detect occupancy sensing and manual switch controls that can be shared across different zones to control multiple zones at the same time. To start the zone linking process, open the area you want to work on and click the zone linking icon on the left. Click one of the zones you'd like to link. In this example, we want to link Corridor 1 with Corridor 2, so that any motion detected in Corridor 1 will light up the full corridor. After clicking the first zone, you'll see a dark gray circle appear around it. Now click the desired option on the left side, which will bring up a drop-down menu populated by the zones that have been set up. In this example, we're going to select Presence in the control zones and set it to Corridor 2. As you hover over the options, you'll see a light gray circle appear around it. Once selected, the zone will appear in the box, and now they're linked. There are a variety of applications for linking zones, including having multiple zones controlled by an in-ocean dimmer switch, or having a room light up as it is approached through a corridor with sensors.